What are you doing?
Salmon salad.
Salmon salad?
Thai style.
The Thai. Yeah, we put this one. From Thailand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Then sugar. What happened with the spoon?
With me.
Want to try?
Yeah. More sweet?
More sweet?
Yeah.
Okay. Bit salt?
Yeah.
Yeah. This? This salt? Oh no.
No, this is baking powder.
Baking powder. Okay. This salt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put the vinegar. I put all and then I will fix. Oh,
Oh, and we make a Thai salad.
I think that is perfect.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is lemongrass.
Yeah.
And in here we have onion.
Fresh onion.
Fresh onion. White onion. And then I go to prepare the garlic.
Yeah, please.
Yes. Yes, so garlic.
Yeah.
How many times? 1 year, 2 years?
1 year. Almost
1 year.
Yeah. I
With
think 1
vinegar
year. Yeah.
and sugar.
Sugar and water.
Yeah, and water. Good. Like honey.
Yeah.
Okay, in here we have the lemongrass, the onion, and now we were going to put the garlic. Say lemongrass in Spanish is limoncelo. Limoncelo, cebolla y ajo. This is ajo in Spanish. Say it, ajo.
Ajo.
Yeah, ajo.
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 Yeah, ajo.
Ajo.
Ajo. And in Thai?
กระเทียม
Katiam. But we can put normal garlic, right?
Yeah, normal garlic. Fresh one. Yeah.
Yeah. Y podemos poner ajo normal. No hace falta que sea este que llevamos un año, un año macerándose en vinagre, azúcar y agua.
This the sauce.
Yes, the sauce is...
This one the salmon.
Yeah, the salmon.
Okay.
Yep. It's spicy. Oi. Oi. And the sauce is made by...
Fish sauce, chili, sugar, lime juice,
Lime. Okay, lime juice.
coriander.
Fish sauce, salsa de pescado, chili, it's in Spanish, sugar,
Yeah.
azúcar,
Yeah.
lime juice,
Yeah.
zumo de lima. There is
Fish
also
sauce.
sesame,
Yeah.
salsa de pescado y semillas de sésamo. And coriander y cilantro. Secret Mami?
Yeah.
Ajá, Secret Mami. Secret Mami. El secreto de mamá.
Yeah, everywhere they use.
Yeah, everywhere you use Secret Mami. What is Secret Mami?
Yeah, you mix. And
Yep.
More fish sauce? Spicy. Oi.
Falang.
Now what? Okay now?
Okay. Good? Yep.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect.
Okay.
It's okay.
You know?
Oh, it's spicy. You try this? It's spicy.
Yeah.
let's go to table. Okay.
So, bon appetit.
Bon appetit. We are going to have dinner. Vamos a cenar.
Yeah. So,
In Thai, we're going to Thai dinner.
ทานให้อร่อยครับ
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, come.
Yeah.